In the heart of Corktown, there's a little brewery that's been pouring love into every pint for over a decade. For 10 years, Batch Brewing Company has crafted beer with intention and soul. We use only the finest ingredients, and our brewers work tirelessly, driven by passion, precision, and an unwavering commitment to their crafts. From grain to glass, every step of the process is handled with care, skill, and a whole lot of love. Each pint is a reflection of our dedication to the art and craft of brewing. It's more than beer. It's community, it's tradition, it's Detroit. At Batch Brewing Company, we have passion for all of our craft.